Hey Dad, it's me again. I know it's been a while. I found your jacket in the closet. Still smells like you, still makes me smile. I got taller, learned some things, like shaving and paying bills. But some nights I still wonder if you'd be proud of me still. I try not to be angry, but truth is I don't understand why you left without goodbye, and I grew up without your hand. Everyone says he's watching, but it's not the same. I needed you beside me, not just your name. Hey Dad, where'd you go? I had questions you never got to know, like how to treat a girl right, or how to stand alone. I wear your voice like a memory, but I wish you'd call my phone. Cause being strong feels fake sometimes, and I hate doing it on my own. Hey Dad, where'd you go? I tell people I'm okay, but inside I'm still that kid who watched the door at every game, hoping you'd show, but you never did. I try to fill the silence with music and some pride, but nothing quite replaces having you there by my side. You were supposed to teach me how to be a man, but I had to learn the hard way with empty hands. Hey Dad, where'd you go? I had questions you never got to know, like how to deal with anger and when it's right to say no. I wear your name like armor, but I still feel exposed. I'm getting older, yeah, I'm growing, but there's a part of me still froze. Hey Dad, where'd you go? Maybe you couldn't stay, maybe life just pulled you far, but I wish you left a letter or a voicemail in the dark. So if you're out there somewhere, or just listening in the breeze, know your shadow walks beside me, even when it brings me to my knees. Hey Dad, where'd you